Introducing the impressive 2023 Audi A5 Sportback TDI S-Line with only 20,000 miles in sleek gray. This 2-liter diesel beauty boasts a semi-auto transmission, making every drive a breeze, loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and anti-collision system. This hatchback is truly a dream come true. With security features like ABS and multiple airbags, safety is never compromised. Plus, with a stop and start system and energy recuperation, efficiency is guaranteed. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more details.